Hi all, today's video is on pie chart and donut chart. So let's create a pie chart. We head over to the visualizations pane, select our pie chart icon. Now you can see we have legends, values and detail section. We head over to our data set and drag segments to legends, sales to values. Now our basic pie chart is ready. We can also give more details with the detailed section that you can see here. I'll drag regions just for demonstration purpose. Now you can see our each slice is segregated based on the regions that we have. So this will help us provide more details to our visual. So I am just removing the regions now. Now we head over to the formatting section. In format your visual tab, we edit our legends. We under the position we can give the position to our legend. I'm selecting bottom center. Under the text, you can increase the font size, select the text that you need, make it bold, add color to your legend text. You can also enable or disable the title if you need, if it's depending on your visual. So that is our legends. We head over to the slices section. Here you can give color to your slices. I'll just give one any random color. So that is how you can edit colors for each of your slices. Under the detail labels tab, in the position, you decide which position you want your detail labels to be, whether it's outside or inside the pie chart. Under the label contents, there are bunch of combinations that you can use from category, data value, and percentage total. I am selecting all detail labels for now. So we can see our category, our data value, and the percentage is visible to us. I'll go to values and increase font size a bit. Yeah, I hope it's visible now. So that is our detail labels part. Also, once you have selected all details, we don't need the legends. We can disable it. This will free up little bit of space and it looks a bit more clear. Now we go to the rotation tab. Here you can decide how you want your pie chart to be in terms of position. Sometimes people want them to compare one particular section as compared to others. As you can see in this part, consumer has almost 50% share as compared to corporate and home offices. So we prefer to keep it on the right side just for comparison purpose. So now we head over to the general tab. We edit our title. You can give a suitable title. We can increase the font, give it select the font size and font type, make it bold, give it any color, select the background color as well. You can see the color has changed, and horizontal alignment. In the effects section, you can give background color to your entire visual. So this is, you can also edit the transparency, how much based on your visual. You can give a visual border, and in the rounded corners you can decide how much rounded corners you need. You can see this particular section here. Also there's a border which is visible now, and we go over again, and the last is shadow, which will give a small shadow around your visual. So that's it, our pie chart formatting is done and our pie chart is ready. Let's create our donut chart now. We select donut chart icon which is right next to pie chart. Let me adjust this a bit. Yeah, almost, not almost, the entire uh, section is similar to pie chart. It's same, we drag our segments to legends, sales to values, and then just for demonstration details, region to details. It is almost similar to what we did previously. And to not waste more time, I'll use the format painter and use the same formatting that we use for our pie chart. So we have similar. The only difference you can see is the middle portion. As the name suggests, this is in form of a donut. Here you can add your company logo or an image that will suit this visual more. Now uh, both our donut chart and pie chart are ready. We'll just brush through quickly on the uses of when to use, when to not use, and some best practices. Thank you for watching.